Let's get straight to the point. Perimenopause can significantly impact cholesterol levels, and this is a growing concern for many women going through this vital transition phase. With the drop in estrogen levels, the question arises, could this be pushing cholesterol beyond healthy limits and increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems? This video dives into medical evidence to unravel this intriguing connection, offering valuable insights for those seeking to better understand their bodies during perimenopause. It's not just about raising awareness, but also providing practical and effective tools to manage this phase in an informed way. Let's explore how this transformational stage in the female reproductive cycle can destabilize lipid profiles and highlight the critical need for proactive health vigilance. A deep dive begins now. Join us on this enlightening journey. The transition to menopause, known as perimenopause, is a unique period in a woman's life, usually occurring between the ages of 40 and mid-50s. During this time, the body begins to naturally reduce the production of reproductive hormones, especially estrogen, in preparation for the end of menstrual cycles. This process can last several years, with an average duration of between 4 and 10 years, and is characterized by unpredictable hormonal fluctuations. These changes can result in a variety of symptoms, the most common of which include irregular menstrual cycles, hot flashes, and mood swings. However, a less talked about but no less important consequence is the impact these hormonal changes can have on blood lipids. Estrogen, which plays a protective role in the female lipid profile pre-menopause, undergoes a sharp decline, contributing to changes in cholesterol levels. It is these changes that often cause transformations in the body that are difficult to understand without proper context, and that require an informed and careful approach. Besides physical and emotional challenges, women in this period also face an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, highlighting the importance of extra health care during perimenopause. As we navigate through perimenopause, the drastic reduction in estrogen levels does not go unnoticed by our bodies and plays a crucial role in lipid profiles, particularly in cholesterol behavior. Traditionally, estrogen helps to keep LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol, low, and HDL levels, considered good cholesterol, high. The decrease in this hormone during perimenopause can thus reverse this beneficial relationship, resulting in more circulating LDL cholesterol and less HDL cholesterol, both known risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. Various epidemiological studies have documented this relationship, indicating that women in perimenopause often exhibit a sharp increase in total cholesterol, placing them unexpectedly in a risk category for heart ailments. These studies largely serve to challenge the old notion that aging is the sole culprit, shedding new light on the relevance of hormonal changes. A landmark study conducted by scientists from the North American Menopause Society demonstrated that women could register an increase of up to 10% in total cholesterol levels during this transition phase, signaling a risk that should be managed with both dietary and medical vigilance. This hormonal influx requires women to be more aware and proactive in managing cardiovascular health. Exploring further, we will see how integrating healthy lifestyle habits can help mitigate these hormonal effects and minimize risks, especially in vital phases like this. While hormonal changes play a central role in altering cholesterol levels during perimenopause, individuals' lifestyle may amplify or mitigate these effects. Diets high in saturated and trans fats, along with a lack of physical activity, can exacerbate the increase in LDL cholesterol, further complicating the lipid panorama during this challenging phase. Healthy practices, however, can serve as an effective line of defense. Adopting a plant-based diet rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, as found in oily fish, nuts, and seeds, not only helps to maintain a healthy weight but also to manage cholesterol levels. Incorporating foods like oats, legumes, and fruits can aid in reducing LDL cholesterol. Furthermore, regular exercise is a powerful tool. Moderate aerobic activities, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, can raise HDL levels while helping to control LDL. Stress management techniques, such as meditation and yoga, complement these benefits, promoting both emotional and physical well-being. Adopting these healthy practices during perimenopause not only improves the lipid profile, but also serves to strengthen the heart against the challenges of this unique life period. Navigating perimenopause with healthy cholesterol levels involves a range of strategies and practical solutions that can make a difference daily. Firstly, regular monitoring with a healthcare professional is vital. Periodic blood tests help detect any changes in lipid profiles early, allowing for immediate interventions when necessary. In the nutritional field, adopting a diet rich in phytosterols, naturally occurring compounds in plants that help block cholesterol absorption, is a recommended approach. Foods like vegetable oils, nuts, seeds, and legumes play an essential role. Integrating ingredients like garlic and turmeric, known for their cholesterol-lowering properties, can amplify dietary benefits. Additionally, the role of physical exercise cannot be underestimated. Interspersing aerobic activities with strength training, for example, not only intensifies fat reduction, but also improves musculature and bone density, which can be affected in perimenopause. A well-balanced physical activity routine can reduce LDL cholesterol and improve overall health without the need for pharmacological intervention. For some women, however, lifestyle adjustments may not be enough. This is where medical evaluation for the use of medications such as statins or personalized hormonal interventions comes in, which further regulate lipid levels and promote cardiovascular health. These decisions should be clearly weighed together with healthcare professionals, considering the balance between the feasibility of side effects and long-term health gains. In short, perimenopause brings with it a series of hormonal changes that can significantly impact cholesterol levels, increasing the risk for cardiovascular diseases. In this video, we explore the complex relationship between hormones and lipid profiles, emphasizing the importance of continuous monitoring and lifestyle adjustments to manage these changes. The integration of a fiber and phytonutrient-rich diet, along with regular exercise, emerges as an effective defense against the adverse effects of high cholesterol. With the correct approach, including regular medical assistance and, if necessary, medicinal interventions, it is possible to transform this phase into an opportunity to reassess and improve cardiovascular health. The message is clear: with knowledge and proactive action, the journey through perimenopause can be a path to strengthening overall well-being. Be in tune with your body, and remember, each step leads to a healthier heart and a more vibrant life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of perimenopause and cholesterol. We hope to have provided valuable insights to help you better manage your health. If you found this content useful, subscribe to our channel for more informative and empowering videos. Don't forget to like and share with other women who might benefit from this knowledge. We'd love to hear your experiences or questions on the topic, so feel free to leave your comments below. Remember, together we can create a strong and supportive community. Until the next video.